shopping weekends of the year.
And Jerome's is home to the biggest Labor Day event ever.
Right now, our Brooks manual reclining sofa is only $9.99 and get the love seat free. Our Camino 4-piece bedroom set, queen bed, dresser, mirror, and nightstand only $9.98. Plus your choice. We pay your sales tax or get 60 months no interest. Spin to win every...
Go beyond the expected with the #1 most dependable mass market brand 3 years in a row by J.D. Power. Lease a new 2023 EV6 Wind for $399 a month.
Thank you for being part of our family. Today in LA, weekdays at 4, 5, and 6. NBC4 News at 5 starts with breaking news.
And we begin this afternoon in Compton, where a small plane has crashed into a fence along a wash. I'm Kathy Vara.
And I'm Jonathan Gonzalez. Thank you for joining us this evening. This video is just into our newsroom. That crash happened just after 1:30 this afternoon, a few blocks from Compton Woodley Airport. According to the LA County Sheriff's Department, the plane was carrying a banner and the pilot was returning to the airport after reporting some kind of mechanical malfunction. Witnesses say the pilot was not seriously injured.
Yo andaba ahí y cuando menos escucho, soy el impacto. ¡Pam! Que cae.
And that neighbor says, I was right there when I heard the impact, bang. The plane had fallen. I was like, what happened? I couldn't see the plane anymore. The plane disappeared. The cause of the crash is still under investigation. Well, it is Labor Day weekend, and our weather, as we officially cap off summer, has been sort of all over the place, right? We had Hurricane Hillary that turned into a tropical storm and brought flooding to the area of parts of Southern California, really all over.
And then we got triple digits back once again, and then rain again yesterday. We can't keep up with what's going on. So let's take a look outside. Some areas today warm and sunny, others a bit more overcast and humid. Let's check in with meteorologist Shauna Mendiola in tonight with your first alert forecast. Hey, Shauna.
Hey there. All right. Yesterday was the cloudy, rainy day, and then today we started to see that clearing in the afternoon, just like we expected. So looking at the satellite radar picture, things are dry right now. First Alert Radar Network has nothing to track in terms of rain because most of that has shifted up to the north. We had an area of low pressure that brought that humidity our way yesterday, but now it's well off into Nevada, Utah, and just up into Idaho. So far away from us, continuing to push that moisture out of here. So we have no chance of rain here today or tomorrow. Labor Day's looking great, but 2-day rain totals show some good amounts here in Beverly Hills. Typically, we don't get much rain at all in September, but we've got, again, 0.2 of an inch from yesterday and today this morning. Downtown LA, just 0.03 of an inch. And I want to tell you that these numbers beat daily rainfall records just for yesterday. So look at these numbers, just a trace of rain in Long Beach, tied an old record from 1961. Camarillo, about 0.07 of an inch, tied an old record, or actually broke one from 1998. And from here on out through the week, no more rain, so you don't have to worry about that. Dry, warmer weather on the way. We'll talk about what to expect in terms of Labor Day and beyond coming up in your first alert weather forecast. I'll send it back to you.
We'll see you soon, Shauna. Thank you. And developing now, tens of thousands of people at the Burning Man Festival in the Nevada desert still stranded today in muddy campgrounds after heavy rain swept through that area over the past couple of days. This is an aerial shot here of Black Rock City, that campground there, deep in mud. NBC's national climate reporter Chase Kane is there now and has an update on the conditions.
The mood remains relatively calm and pleasant here at Burning Man, despite the circumstances. There are camps which have resources and folks are just trying to make the best of the situation. But then there are individuals in camps who are running short or out of things like food and water. And so they're getting desperate to leave and attempting to drive on these makeshift roads, even though they remain closed. And because this dust is sort of like quicksand and then it turns to a type of clay, a number of vehicles have gotten stuck. You may be able to see one off here in the distance. As of late Sunday, the gates in and out do remain closed, so they're asking people to just stay in place.
Now, the annual festival takes place at Black Rock City, about 110 miles north of Reno. It's a temporary metropolis built specifically for the counterculture event, featuring tens of thousands of musicians and artists. The attendees were told to shelter in place after the storms, as well as conserve food, water, and fuel. Officials stopped people from entering or leaving the festival. These are new photos of the muddy situation there today. The man who took them said it took him about 20 hours to get out of the camp and over to the Reno